Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in the additional of the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday, Saturday, December 2023. It's actually today Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles. Not the rest of the puzzle, but the additional of the weekend edition. Yes. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the four-star Sudoku. Four-star Sudoku number 7553. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for four stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Is this really a four stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here three ones. We have here three twos, three threes, three fours, three fives, one six, three sevens, two eight, and three nines. It's divided. It's divided. Well, I cannot start with one of the digits. Let me see what I can do. 7. Ay. 7. Well, no. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place level 2 should be there. Need 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. You have 4 in this column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 5, 1, 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. The one in the last column, the one in the column next, on that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Then. We have a pair, the 7 and a 5 in this column, the 7 and a 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 7 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, and 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 2 and 9. 2 and then 9 cannot fill this yet. Well. 9. Okay. So we need an 8 here. We need a 9. And we need a 3 here. Okay. Alright. Four in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. See a 4 second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 4. 6 6. Need a 2 here. 2 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Well. Yeah. 7, 8. 4 here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4. Here we have a 4. That means in the middle column, the 4 should be in one of these 3 boxes. Well, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. All right. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see our 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Well. 6, 6, 6. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there, and I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. So 3 missing numbers now in this row. Those oh wait, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. Need a 9 here. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for 9 should be here, or there. You see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for 9 should be there. Right. Need a 7 here. 3 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8. 2, 3. We have a 2, 3 in this column, so no 2 and the 3 in this box. 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box, 1 digit left in this row for number 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 6 should be here. 5 could be everywhere. 6. I need a 7. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and 3. 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, and look, we have 6 and the 7 in the first row. So no 6 and the 7 in this box. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 5. Alright, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. 6 and the 7 are left. Okay. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Okay. 7. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4. Well, again, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Apologies. Need to blow my nose. It's cold here. It's freezing. 8 and the 7. Well. 3 missing numbers in this row for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. That means those 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need a 6 here. Here's 7 and 8. 7, 8, and a 6 here. 6 and a 7. Alright. Okay. The 1 here. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left. 1 should be here or there. We see our 1 in the third column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first column. 1 in the third column. So the column 3 in second column. The only place left for the 1 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2 and 1. Alright, now. How about? Need a 2 there. Yeah. And the 4 here. 6 and 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in third column. No 7 in this box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in the second column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing, I believe. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Cannot fill this yet. Well, 50 minutes already passed, and I'm still thinking. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. So here we have a pair. So the other 3 numbers should be 2, 3, and 8 is missing. 8, 8, 8, 8. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left with 8. Could be here, could be there. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. That means in this row, the 8 should be in one of these 2 boxes. The 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers. 3 missing numbers. Here are the pair 4 and a 6. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now for numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 2 goes there. Then 3 in this row, last row, 3 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left with the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 and 3, we have 3 now in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 and 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, 4 stars. No, 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do the thing. So, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.